Wondering what I'm doing here in this apron in the kitchen? Well, I'm here to make investing a tasty experience for you. I'm Vivek Law, your money chef. Well, it is always advisable to take small sips and enjoy your juice. Rushing never helps. It's true for investing as well. Rather than putting a big chunk of money in the stock market in the hope that you have been able to time the market is never a sensible thing to do. SIP or systematic investment plan allows you to put aside small amounts of money in a disciplined manner every month. It also helps in averaging out your investments at different levels of the stock market. It is a disciplined approach to investing and less risky too, as you gradually average out the cost of your investment.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.